Okay, it's Tuesday, January 31st. I'm buying some Caterpillar Cat 255 puts here at 460. You can see here, this is on the 15-minute chart after a big gap down today after earnings and followed through lower. We've been grinding up all session long, and then we kind of have a 2 up, 2 down on the 15-minute bar here. So I'm buying the puts here, looking for it to work down towards the lows of the day again, or at least to this level to set up a no-risk trade. Or, I can see it, given the weakness, at least taking out this low right here as it starts back down. So we'll see how much, lower it goes towards the end of the day. The question is, you see this kind of bar here. We had a big gap down on earnings and then immediately came down and took out, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 days worth of stops. 4 days worth of stops right away. Now, the thing is, is this going to be the broadening action where it came down and then it starts up again after this big gap down? When you see this kind of bar forming, we'll have to see how this bar ends. You want it to kind of close a little bit more red by the end of the day. But what I'm seeing here is the key thing is after the news announcement, if you look at the pre-market action, we came all the way down to this level here, then we rallied a little bit, and then we started big down. And then all we've done is kind of, if it would have really been wanting to bounce higher out of this pivot machine somewhere in here before it hits these weekly lows, I would have thought it would have taken out the intraday, the pre-market lows and immediately bounced. So it followed through, and all we've done is kind of rally back up to that level. So this is a good area to turn and start lower. And again, I'm kind of looking at the 2 down weekly chart here where we have a 2 down, and that's kind of those lows here, almost 9-10 points lower on the chart from where we are now, assuming this bar is really a negative move that's not about to reverse back to the upside. So anyway, let's see how it goes. 2 up, 2 down, buying it here, and then we'll see by the end of the day if we can get a little bit more of a move to the bottom of the range.